Okay, so that means true, false, or true. So that means when it comes to or, we have either true, or suppose if this one is also true, we will get the final result which is true, because for or either side should be true. Okay, but suppose if we get false or false, then what will be the final answer, Arif? For this one we will get false.
Yeah, false.
Okay, so this way the true and false is working. Now suppose if you get a question which is like, all the people who are present in the meeting, suppose they can able to vote if their age is between 18 to 25, they can able to vote. Between 18 to 25 they can able to vote, otherwise they can't able to vote. Okay, so here we will write a function like that way, which is like age will be the variable, then age will be greater than 17 because this one is 18, right? Or maybe you can write equals to 18.
Teacher, but we can't type less than or greater than equal to, right?
Yeah, but we can also write that one. That one is called arithmetic operator. That one is also applicable in if and else. We can also use that one.
But how are we supposed to type it in the keyboard?
You can write it like a greater than and then equal. That one will be, because I like that like this way. This one you can write is a age greater than equal 18. This way.
Okay, okay.
Okay. Now, if the age is this, and it should be and, right? And will be and
Yeah.
age is less than equal 25. They can able to vote if.
Okay.
Okay, they can vote. Suppose they can vote. Else, it will not vote. Okay.
Okay.
Now you tell me one thing. I add if and else. So now, if you suppose like my age is 32, so what will be the which where I will go?
Uh,
Is this one true or
you'll be
false?
able to what?
Can you tell me this
It's,
one will be false or true?
it's true.
It's true, right? So for that particular
Yes.
one,
For that particular one, it will be like you are able to vote, like
it will be true.
the
And then
same.
for this one,
Yeah. For that one also, it will be true.
mm-mm, 32. This one is less than equal to 25.
Oh, yeah. My bad. So that will be false.
So what will be my final answer?
It will be. It will be true.
Mm. When it comes to
Right?
and, both side need to be true.
Yes.
So it will be false.
Oh, so it will be false. Yeah, my
So then
bad.
where I will go to this point, right?
The condition is okay. It should be greater than 18 but less than 25.
Yes. Did you understand what does it mean by how we can able to calculate, how the computer can able to?
Yeah.
Okay. Now suppose if the age is now 24, then this one will be true and this one will
Yeah.
also be true. So when these two will be true, then I can able to vote, right?
Yes.
So that means you understand how the and things is working. So if we move with the or one, so what example I can give you? Okay, suppose there's so many people in one of the meeting, and only the people who have a T-shirt which is a red and green, red or green, either one, they can able to come to the stage. Okay, so for that thing I add if, or if T-shirt. Suppose if I will add if T-shirt equals to red, or because or T-shirt equals to green. Okay, then they can come to stage. Else can't come. Now tell me, suppose my t-shirt color is now green. So what will be the where I can? What can I do? Can I go to the stage or can't?
Come to stage because your green color shirt, right?
Yes. So that means red will be false, right?
Red
Red
will
will
be
be true.
false and t-shirt will be true.
So
Uh, so t-shirt equals red or
yes,
t-shirt
equal,
equals green, right?
equal, equal. It should be equal, 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 equal.
Okay.
It's not pick
Okay.
one equal, equal, equal.
What is your this thing again? Color you're wearing currently?
Or green.
Green. So that means you can come to stage because you're wearing a green color
Yeah.
t-shirt.
So false and true. So when it comes
Yeah,
to
first.
false and true, the final answer will be true when it is the function of the or, right? Okay.
Yes.
Now, did you remember what does it mean by 1 equal, 2 equal, and 3 equal?
Uh, no.
Okay. 1 equal means you are assigning a variable.
Okay.
Variable. Suppose which is a x equals to 3. We are assigning a variable, assigning a number or storing a number inside a variable. During that time, we use equals to 1 equal. Okay. Now, when we are checking something, right? Suppose in terms of if we are checking something, either the color is red or green. So we are checking it. We are not storing it, right? During that time, we use double equal. X equal to 3. That means either the value of x is 3 or not. Okay? Is it true or false? So that one is called double equal. So when it comes to double equal, they are not checking the data type. But when it comes to triple equal, they check the data type. So how it takes the data type? It's like suppose if your 3 is in string, suppose your x, the value of x is in 3, which is number. But in the if, you add it like this way. X equals to 3. Then it will give you an answer which is a false. Why? Because this 3 is a number or integer data type. But this one is a string. So that's why it give you a value which is a false. Is it clear, Arif?
Yes, it's clear.
Okay, now this one is called a top type of equal. Okay, now we have the other one which is called arithmetic operator. So what does it mean by arithmetic operator? Arithmetic operator means you can either use plus, that one is plus, that one is minus, this one is for multiplication, right? This one is for divide, this one is
Division.
for reminder.
Percentage.
No. This one is for reminder. Suppose 5 by 2, it will give you only the remainder which is 1. So if you divide 5 by 2, then you will get a remainder which is 1. So the percentage symbol here it calls a reminder. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, now we have a greater than, less than, greater than equal, less than equal. Then we have a option which is exclamation. That one is called not. Not means suppose if you add not green, that means it will not check green. Without green, it will check everything. So you can write it like suppose you have a 5 t-shirt. One is in red color, another one is in green color, another one is in yellow color. Suppose 3 green t-shirt you have. Okay, so you added a if else like if t-shirt equals to not green. That means what happened? It will only accept red and yellow. It will not accept green. So the people who have a green shirt, they can't able to go to the stage. Only the red and yellow can able to go to the stage. Is it clear? Arif?
Yes, yeah, it's.
Okay.
Can you repeat again?
Okay. So the
If
thing is that,
T-shirt.
suppose I have a three color, suppose the audience have a three color t-shirt. They have a
Okay.
red, green and yellow. So now the condition is the people who are wearing green, they can't able to come to the stage. So
Okay.
how we can write that particular things? We can write it like this way. If t-shirt equals to not green, they can able to come. So that means it will not accept green. It will accept the other two value, other two color.
Yeah.
So
Okay, teacher.
that one is called, this one is called not equal, right? So without green, any color you provide, this condition will give you true. But if you provide the green color, then this condition will give you false. Is it clear, Arif?
Yes, teacher, it's clear.
Okay. Now we have another one. That one is called switch. That one is called switch. Suppose we mostly use if when we have a different type of variable, like sometimes the variable is t-shirt, sometimes the variable is age, some different type of variables we have to use. During that time we use if. Or even the variable can be a shorter, like three condition or four condition. But suppose if the condition is 7 to 8 and they are trying to differentiate between the same variable. So here is one of the example that I already gave you inside the node, which is like there is in total 1, 2, 3, 4. In total, 5 condition are there. Okay. In total, they have a 5 condition, and each condition have a variable name, which is a day name, the same variable name, right? For that particular thing, we mostly use switch. We mostly use what? We mostly use switch. Okay. So how we can able to use the switch is like switch is we start with a switch which is switch like this way, and then we have to provide the variable where you want to pass the, you know, pass the number. So suppose there's one question they can ask you that on day 3, you can able to take a leave on day 3. So suppose the office is for 5 days, so day 3 means Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday. So Wednesday you can take a leave, right? So for that thing, what we can able to do, we can provide the day. So there is the variable. So here we will provide day is 3. When day is 3, you can able to take a leave. And then we have to provide a variable name, which is a day name. And here we will add all the weekend name. So here we will add case 1, like colon. There will be a colon and there will be a day name. Day name, what will be the day name? Day name will be Monday, right? So Monday is the string, is the name that I assign to this variable. Okay, Arif, is it clear?
Yeah.
Okay, now we
Yeah.
can use case 2. Case 2 means when my day name will be Tuesday, right?
Yeah. It's,
Similar like this way, you have to add it here, right? But if you notice that they added a break here, why? Because if you are not put the break here, then what happened? Suppose this one is true, this Monday is true, but it will again go to Tuesday because you didn't provide the break. But when you provide the break, if this condition is true, it will stop at that position. But if you are not providing the break, it will not stop. So if we check the notes again a little bit, you can able to see here this one. See, uh, Okay, so if you okay, so if we see this one, they have a break here, they have a break here, right? But if you consider the last one, they don't have the break. Why? Because this is the last time. So after this time, the function will automatically break. So we added break. Suppose this particular one is true. After that, the system or the program will stop. And this one is the variable name. Is it clear, Arif?
Yes, teacher, yeah, it's clear.
Okay. And this is one of the example of a nested if statement. So if you can see the score is greater than 90, grade A. Else if the score is greater than 80, then there is another if. Else if there is a something like that. Right. So sometimes there is some of the question can came up based on a nested if. Okay. Now, if I tell you to see this code and show me how the code is working, can you write it down for me, Arif?
Uh, okay, wait.
No, nothing else. Just see the code. So, okay, so we just go through the notes for one time. In JavaScript selection, also called conditional statement, okay? So, which allows you to execute code based on a certain condition. So, which what includes? Includes if, else, and switch statement, which are essential for decision making in programs. So, they are used mostly for decision making. Then, the if statement evaluates a condition and execute code if that condition is true, right? If the condition is true, during that time that particular code is executed. So if you think about this one, the console log, it will execute if that particular thing is true. In this example, if the age is 18 or older, the message printed on the to the console, right? Then when it comes to else, the else statement provides an alternative set of instruction if the if condition is false. So suppose if the if condition, like the first condition is false, then it will go back to the else condition. So this one will be printed in the console.
Okay.
Now when it comes to else if, they are saying the else if statement check another condition if the first, like if condition is false. So if the first condition is false, it will go to the next one. You can multiple else if blocks for more complex selection logic. That means if you have more than two condition, like more than three conditions, which is starting from three condition, if you have three four condition, during that time you have no option, you have to use the if else if one. Okay, otherwise you can, the other one, that one you can use, but it's actually matched with the question. You can also use nested if as well. Okay, so this is one of the example of a if else. So first if, they are checking the condition. Second else if, they are also checking the condition. But if you notice the else are not checking the condition. So in this case, because age is 14, the second condition in the else if block is true. So if you are a teenager, is printed, right? Then it comes to switch. So switch is working when it is commonly used when comparing the same variable against multiple possible values, right? So there is a same variable which is a day name. It is checking based on the day name day 3. And this one is the nested if statement. I think you already know what does it mean by nested if, right? Which is inside the if. Okay, now you can share this screen.
Ria, what should I type now?
You type HTML5 or something like that.
Sorry, teacher.
Okay, so I just share a worksheet with you just now. Just wait 1 minute. I'm just sharing a screenshot with worksheet on selection. Yes, I already shared it with you. Open it.
Sorry, I accidentally restarted this one.
Okay, no issue.
So worksheet on JavaScript section. Right, a JavaScript if that checks if the variable temperature is set back. So I will just do the normal doc. JavaScript selection. Then script. So it's if, right?
Yes.
If
What was the question? The question was
a
if.
variable temperature is above 30, it should print hot if the statement checks.
Yes. So if the temperature is above 30, if so, it should print it's a hot day.
So that means should I write like let temperature equals
Yes,
30 first?
yes, yes, yes. First you write the temperature equals to.
That means let temperature equals to this then. Okay, then a this thing, then space. Okay, so this
temperature,
if
yes, then bracket,
brackets
yes,
temperature
equals to 30. Try to give a space between like temperature and equal greater than, yes, like that way, yes. Then a third curly
third
bracket,
bracket
yes, and inside console log,
console dot log brackets.
quotation.
What's it's a hot day, right?
Yes, it's a quotation.
It's a hot day.
Yes,
I just copy the quotations. Mm, yes, this is correct, teacher.
yes. Now you try to run this one. I think it will not give you any answer, I think.
It's not giving any answer, so for that
For that,
I
you have
should.
to, no, not here, you, because you write it as a 30, right? Change
Yeah,
the temperature to 40. Let temperature goes to 30. That's why it is not greater than 30. That's why you are not getting any answer. Yeah. Now change it to 40. Save it and then see.
yeah, it's a hot day.
Yeah. Do you understand how we can able to do that?
Yeah.
You have to,
So I just keep it at 30, like
yes.
as you know. Now yeah, I should save this as mm, question. Okay. Now I should create another one. Question two. Type log. So this question is modify the code from question one to also check if the temperature is 30 or below, if it should print it's a cool date. So I just copy this whole thing, right, teacher?
Yes. And then paste it here.
Paste it here. Then since we have an if over here,
Yes.
there should be an else.
Yes. Else.
So that means I should place the else
Yes.
after the curly bracket with another curly bracket. Okay.
Yes.
So that means else over here, another curly should be there. Okay. Wait, why am I entering the wrong brackets? Shit. Now over here, console log say cold.
Yes.
So if I save this,
Yeah.
then if I run it again, split element. Yeah, it's a cold. Yeah.
Yeah. It's because the temperature is 30, right?
Yeah. So what if I put an equal over here?
You
What can
will see what you will get. It's a hot
it's a
day because equal means it is counted
yeah,
from
it's
30.
31.
Yes.
Yeah. So I'll close this. I'll create another work worksheet on question. So over here it says write an if else if
An
else.
if, else if, and else statement to determine the state of water based on temperatures. তাই তো? Is it like that?
Uh,
So you have to use
it says two if else's. So that means an
there will
if
be
and an else.
else if and else. So that means you have to use a else if condition here, right? Because you are getting here
Yeah,
three
yeah,
conditions.
yeah.
If the temperature is above 100, I think you can able to do it. Check how the thing is working, and then based on that.
Uh, Now here it should be script. So let state of what I just camel case it again, he said.
Yeah, that was also okay, no issue.
Equals to I just type it as 100, okay, because that's the boiling point here.
Okay,
Then it should be if over here
okay.
with a bracket which states uh, temperature greater than 100. Yeah, greater than 100. Should print steam. So I should open a curly bracket over here. So I'll type log steam. Yes.
And then you have to provide a quotation, right? Otherwise, it won't
So,
work. Because when you don't add any quotation, it's not take it as a variable.
yeah. Now again, so I will type an else. Yeah. Yeah. So else brackets temperature. Yeah, it should be state. Yeah. State of water temperature is below zero, so that means it should be this, and it should print. Is it like that? Uh, Teacher, should it be in this structure over here? If, else, if, and else.
Yeah, similar like that.
So that means
But the
this
condition will
one,
be different.
this one should be else if, yeah. Yeah. Okay, curly bracket else. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, so that means this one should be ice. Ice. And it should be in inverted comma. Then, following the same rule, else state of temperature of water wait teacher,
Yes.
so for both of this one, the first two conditions below 0 and above 100, but for over here it doesn't say a value, so how am I supposed to?
Because otherwise print liquid. So you have to provide a else liquid.
Okay, so just else,
Yeah, else there's no condition for the else.
so I just leave it like this.
Yes. But there will be no
Then
first bracket. No first bracket. Yes, no first bracket. The condition, the first bracket condition will be not there for
Yeah.
else. Yes. Now you add here console log.
Log. Wait, my bad. Water.
Okay.
Yes.
Not water, it was liquid.
Liquid. My bad. Liquid. Liquid. Yes. I should make this capital. This capital. Then I will save it. I run it.
Yes.
Should be Steam. I think. Liquid.
Okay, Arif, our mock will be started on from the end of February.
Mock.
Yes.
Teacher, when will we start our notes revision again?
During that time,
Okay.
mock means your exam, like the topic, whole thing.
Okay. Yeah, like everything.
Okay, then.
Uh, yeah, yeah. So that's correct. No, teacher, but then it's still kind of wrong. I
Okay.
think.
Yeah. Just go there. They are giving you answer which is a liquid, because you provide the temperature which is 100 greater than 100. If the temperature is greater than 100, then it will give you liquid. But you
Yeah,
should
but
have to add equal, right?
yeah, it should be because 100 is the boiling point.
Yeah, but the
So
question inside the question is that if the temperature is above 100, then it will be stream. Otherwise, it will be liquid. I think it is correct.
uh, so that means it should be equal to both. Yeah, like
No, no,
this.
no, 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 no. If you check the question, they didn't say it, that if the temperature is 100, they say the temperature is above 100, then it will be steam, right?
Yeah. Yeah,
Above
steam.
100, yeah. And below 0 degree, that means it's not equal to 0, it's a below 0. So less than 0, you are correct during that time. So if you
Uh,
provide any of the number between 0 to 100, you will get an answer which is a liquid. But if you write 101 or maybe minus 1, for minus 1, you will get the answer which is a 0. 120, you will get the answer which is steam, right?
yeah.
Is it clear?
Yes, teacher, it's clear.
Okay. Now go to the question again. Now go to the code again.
Change back to the normal figure, like how I typed it earlier.
Yeah, I think it's correct. The way you write is correct. But change the temperature to minus 1. Let state of water on temperature. Change it to 100 to minus 1 and run it. Not this one. Line 10, because line 10, no, not here, not here. This one is the logic. Yes, here you can able to change the variable. Yes, minus 1 and check it.
Nice.
Nice, right? Yeah, now if you added 102, check what will be the answer. Stream. Okay. So, okay, Arif, I think today this will be the end of our class. For you, tomorrow you have class and also the exam. Tomorrow your homework will be question 4 and question 5. This to
Okay,
your
teacher.
homework, okay, for tomorrow.
Okay.
Okay, and then tomorrow we'll continue the rest of the question.
Okay, teacher.
Okay, Arif.